Hey guys, today I'll show you how to delete your Instagram account, so make sure to stick till the end to get the most out of it. First of all, tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, then tap on menu on the top right corner, select settings and privacy, then select account center, scroll down and select personal details, click on account ownership and control, then deactivation or deletion, select your account. Make sure to select the delete account option and press continue. Select one of the many reasons here and then press continue. Finally, put your password here and then press continue. That's it guys, you have deleted your Instagram account. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.